Welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome to the hair experience. What we talk about here is hair replacements and hair systems. Getting hair back on your head at a reasonable price without any invasive surgeries or things like that. MyHairExperience.com will teach you how to do it all. It's going to be all the YouTube videos, the ebook, the written ebook, the video ebook, starter kits on there to get all your stuff at home, all your tools, shampoo, all that stuff. Everything that comes in the starter kit will help you get started. HairByMHE.com. If you click order hair, that'll lead you directly to our site to get your hair, your unit. As you guys can see from the picture of me looking like total crap, today's video is all about sleeping. This is exactly what I look like when I wake up in the morning. Pissed off at the world, not happy, bags under my eyes, terrible. And guys, before you judge me, the whole point of the thing is today, you spend more time laying on your head. Not really, but you spend an awful lot of time laying on your head and tossing and turning and rolling and doing all that, and you're actually wearing on the unit while that's happening. So today's video is going to be all about, hopefully that picture of me is gone by now. Oh boy. What today's video is going to be all about sleeping and what to expect when you wake up. Okay, and how to get the best results because you're laying on the unit for 8 hours essentially every day. Okay, to get the best results, you really need to have a cotton, or not a cotton, sorry about that, a silk or a satin pillowcase. And the reason for that is the cotton that normally comes on a normal pillowcase, it has a wicking effect, and it's a very coarse material, okay? I mean, you can get high thread counts and things like that that are not so super coarse, but this is a crucial thing to the life and longevity of your unit. This and filtered water as well. But back to the sleeping part. I sleep every night in my unit, just like you see me now. I'll be in bed in about an hour or two from now. I just go to bed just like this. I wake up and that picture is what I look like. I know it looks like hell crazy, but you guys have asked me to do a video about it, so I wanted to. So the satin or the silk pillowcase will cause less wear and tear on the unit, and also no wicking effect of the moisture coming out of the hair. And girls will tell you this too. I mean, it's essentially better for your hair. It causes less breakage, less tangles, and things like that. So they're about 10 to 20 bucks depending on where you go, like Bed Bath & Beyond or something like that. Or Amazon, you can get them on Amazon for about 10 or 15 bucks. The investment is well worth it, guys. So anyway, sleeping, I wake up in the morning, I look like what I did. I have options at that point, okay? I don't wash my hair with shampoo every day. I've told you guys I wash it on Mondays and Thursdays. That's my normal routine with shampoo. I have started experimenting. I usually use conditioner every day. I rinse the product that I use in my hair, whether it be like a pomade or a matte finish product or something like that that I use for styling. I rinse that out, and then I use a conditioner, either the Pro Hair Labs that comes in the starter kit, or the Moroccan Repair is what's in my shower. So I have a couple of options at this point. I can either not do anything with my hair. If it's not dirty, I can get it wet and blow dry it out, and then keep the oils in there, the natural part of the hair or the conditioner that I've put in it from the days before, and be fine with it. Dry it, style it, and be good. You can do that for about 2 days before you need to rinse it really good and put a good conditioner back into it. But yeah, at that point, those are the choices that I really have. So you guys wanted to see what I look like when I wake up. I mean, it's not, my unit's not coming up when I wake up. It's not coming off. I've never had that happen. I've had it slide before on the back. I did have that happen, but that was when I was experimenting, trying to see how far I could push it, and that was past week 3. That was like just over 3 weeks, and it slid in the back a little bit. That's a problem. We don't want to get there, because once that happens, it gets all nasty and gummy and in your bio hair and things like that, and that's just no good. That's really a pain in the butt. But guys, I can't stress how important that that silk or that satin pillowcase is, and also to please do not wash the hair daily. I mean with shampoo. If you do, it's going to destroy the hair unit, and you might get a third of the time that you really should out of it. So I hope that helps, guys. And you got to see my ugly mug. I don't really pay attention to my face in the mornings. It's that bad. So it's super important to me if you guys would subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if my information helps you. And we're gonna keep making videos and trying to help people get hair back on their head. So subscribe below, super important, and we'll see you in a few days. Thanks.